Welcome to Trend Auto World. Dear friends and valued viewers, we are thrilled to have you here. Today, we are presenting an exclusive review of the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario, a masterpiece built for sports car enthusiasts and lovers of high-performance vehicles. This car is designed to push the limits of speed, power, and luxury. In this detailed review, we will cover its weight, horsepower, performance, fuel consumption, fuel types, 0-100 kilometers per hour, acceleration time, width, length, ground clearance, tire functions, engine power, transmission, market price, and its popularity among famous individuals in different countries. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do so, and don't forget to like and share this video. Let's dive in. Weight and engine power. The Lamborghini Temerario is built with a lightweight yet durable structure, using advanced materials like carbon fiber and aluminum. This allows the car to maintain agility while ensuring high-speed stability. Under the hood, it is equipped with a high-performance engine that produces an incredible amount of horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Lamborghini models ever. This engine is fine-tuned to deliver explosive acceleration and seamless power delivery at all speeds. Performance and acceleration. Performance is at the heart of the Lamborghini Temerario. With its aerodynamic design, high-revving engine, and advanced transmission, this supercar can achieve a 0-100 kilometers per hour, 0-62 miles per hour acceleration in just a few seconds. The engine response is immediate, providing an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. Whether on the track or the highway, this car is designed to dominate the road. Fuel consumption and fuel types. As expected from a high-performance supercar, the fuel consumption is optimized for power rather than economy. It runs on premium fuel, ensuring that the engine delivers maximum efficiency and output. Lamborghini has also incorporated fuel management technologies to enhance performance while maintaining a reasonable range. Dimensions and exterior design. Width and length. The Lamborghini Temerario features a wide, low-slung body, designed for maximum aerodynamic efficiency and road grip. The extended length contributes to its aggressive stance and improved stability. Ground clearance. The car is engineered with low ground clearance, optimizing performance for high speeds while maintaining adequate road adaptability. Tire functions. The high-performance tires provide maximum traction, stability, and handling, allowing the car to maintain grip even at extreme speeds. The tires are specifically designed to handle the immense power output of the Temerario. Transmission and driving experience. The Lamborghini Temerario is equipped with a state-of-the-art transmission system, ensuring lightning-fast gear shifts and seamless power delivery. The advanced dual-clutch or automatic transmission allows for precision control, whether in manual or automatic mode, offering both an exciting and smooth driving experience. Market price and global popularity. The Lamborghini Temerario is a luxury supercar, and its price reflects its cutting-edge technology, high-end materials, and unmatched performance. It is expected to be a highly sought-after model, particularly among celebrities, business moguls, and car collectors. The car will likely be most popular in the USA, Europe, and the Middle East, where Lamborghini already has a strong presence. Final thoughts. The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is more than just a supercar. It is a statement of power, speed, and luxury. With its breathtaking design, extreme horsepower, and race-inspired performance, it stands as one of the most exciting Lamborghini models to date. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exclusive automotive content from Trend Auto World. See you in the next video.